Hey there, welcome to Ekkul. So, before we jump in, I just want to say you're in the right place. Whether you're prepping for exams, brushing up on a subject, or just, trying to get better at something, Ekkul's got you covered. All right, so we're gonna walk through a few quick setup steps together. It'll take I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Super easy stuff. And honestly, the better you set this up now, the better your whole experience is gonna be. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, first things first, we need your name. Just, your full name. Nothing fancy. This is what shows up on your profile, on the leaderboard when you're crushing it. And yeah, it's how other learners will see you. So type that in and let's move on. All right, step 2. So this one's actually pretty important. We're gonna ask you about your location and your language. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does that matter, right? Well, here's the thing. Your country actually determines which topics and exams show up for you. So if you're in Nepal, you'll see Nepali curriculum stuff. If you're in India, you'll get Indian exam topics. Same for the US and so on. It just, makes everything way more relevant to what you're actually studying. And the language part? That just sets up the interface so everything feels natural for you. Oh, and there's an optional bit for date of birth and gender. Totally up to you on that. No pressure. Okay, so, step 3. This is where it starts getting fun. You're gonna pick your focus categories. Think of these as your big study areas. So for example, maybe it's science or mathematics or social studies or, I don't know, whatever you're into. You can pick anywhere from 1 up to 15 of these. And here's why this matters. These focus areas basically scope everything else in the app. Your analytics, your recommendations, the content you see. It all flows from what you pick here. So yeah, take a second. Think about what you're working on. And, select the ones that make sense for you right now. And don't stress too much. You can always change these later. Now, step 4. So within those focus areas you just picked, we're gonna get more specific. These are your target topics. So if you picked science as a focus area, now you might choose physics, or biology, or chemistry, the actual subjects you want to practice. You can select up to 20 of these. And this is really where the magic happens. Your daily challenges, they come from these topics. The exam simulations, based on these. Your weakness tracking and improvement suggestions, yeah, all tied to your target topics. So the more specific you are here, the more personalized everything becomes. Oh, and one more thing. So there's this cool feature where you pick one topic as your, featured leaderboard topic. This is basically your main competitive subject. It shows up on the home dashboard, and it's where you'll see your ranking compared to other learners. It's your thing, the subject you want to be known for. And honestly, it's super motivating. When you see yourself climbing that leaderboard, it just pushes you to keep going. So pick the one you're most fired up about. And that's it. You're all set up. Seriously, that was the hard part, and I mean, it wasn't even that hard, right? From here, Ekkul's gonna personalize everything for you. Your dashboard, your challenges, your study recommendations, all of it tailored to what you just told us. Oh, and one last thing. If you ever want to change any of this stuff, you totally can. Your focus areas, your topics, your leaderboard subject, it's all in your settings. So don't feel locked in. All right, go explore, start a challenge, take a practice test, whatever feels right. You've got this. Welcome to Ekkul.